Now it's the time to choose the winners from the giveaway for the Haworthia. I had 7 comments, 7 people that participated in the giveaway, so my daughter's going to go ahead and fold them each up. A little bit faster.
This one, this one, and this one.
Okay, so let me just kind of bounce them around, mix them up here. Oh wait, some of them are like gathering together. Let me fold them again. Hold on, because they're like getting stuck to each other.
How are you doing that?
Just folding it. See how they're stuck to each other? Just folding it again. Okay. Okay, Kayla. Okay, go ahead and pick one out. You got one? Make sure it's one. What is it?
This one.
Okay, so it is John. I don't know how to say this. You are the winner. I need you to contact me within the next couple days. Private message me your address so that I can send this out to you. So you will be receiving the Haworthia. Let me grab it. This one.
Oh, that
The Black Gem Haworthia. I also am going to include this cute little cactus notebook. So cute. And I decided to also, where is it? Sorry. So these are the baby topsy-turvies that I got, and they all have root. So I decided to send out to you the biggest baby that I have in here. Topsy-turvy. I'll say it's about 2 inches, I think. Either 1.5 inches or 2 inches. So yeah, guys, that's what you're gonna get. One of these topsy-turvy, the notebook, and the Black Gem Haworthia. Thank you so much for reaching out. If I don't hear from you within a couple days, then I guess I'll have to choose somebody else. I do hope that I get to hear from you. Thank you so much. Bye, guys.